you showed me this one. Programmer somehow makes Doom playable on a pregnancy test. Mm-hmm. So somebody challenged this guy to, for some reason, pregnancy tests had come up on social media recently. There was a viral post about how expensive they are when they're really sort of dumb technology. Mm-hmm. And so I don't know if this is in any way related to that, but somebody challenged this Twitter user, Foon, to the Will It Run Doom challenge. You know, people, they try to get Doom to run on seemingly less sophisticated hardware. And so this guy said, well, the first thing he was able to show off was just video of Doom playing on a very pixelated display, as you're showcasing here. I mean, hardly play. You tell me if it's playable or not.
No.
Probably not. But
no.
This is just a video right now. And then you scroll down a little further and he says, okay, fine. That, I started with the video, but then he was able to actually get a keyboard input and shows that off with one of those little portable keyboards. And you can see he actually does have a functioning Doom game on something that looks like a pregnancy test. Well, it's at least the chassis of a pregnancy test. But then you said to me, well, wait a sec, did those screens have that many pixels? To which I said, I'm surprised by that too. So then I look a little deeper into the article and it says it's important to note that Foon did replace the display and microcontroller. So the only part of the original tester is the shell. However, getting Doom running and playable on a 128 by 32 pixel monochrome display at 1 BPP is still an impressive feat. Okay, so I agree. It's still impressive, but it's hardly a pregnancy tester at that moment. So the headline kind of goes out the window a little bit, but it's still, it's still cool. It's still, he had to find the display that would fit.
That's the original display.
That's the original display. I mean, that's lacking pixels.
Yeah.
So, and he wasn't trying to hide it, by the way. He covered everything on the Twitter feed.
Yeah.
Each step of the way. So if you're thinking, oh, well, how dare you say that? He covered everything and his full transparency on it. And I think it's a feat nonetheless. Mm-hmm. But I don't know. It's not a thing I ever imagined would be necessary. But that's the beauty of the internet. Well, it's all bases covered. Mm-hmm. If you can think of it, it has happened or is currently happening.
Yeah, someone's.
That's both incredible and terrifying.
Uh-huh.
If you can think it has happened on the internet, or it is currently happening, or it will happen soon in the future.
It's just chaos.
I'm terrified.